Question number second, we have given choose the correct choice in the following and justify. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड का फर्स्ट पार्ट गिवन है कि 30th टर्म ऑफ एपी गिवन एपी इज 10, 7, 4 and so on. A is equal to first term, that is equal to 10, and common difference is denoted by D, and that is second term minus first term. D is equal to second term minus first term, A2 minus A1. Then D is equal to 10 minus 7, that is equal to minus 3. A equal to 10, D is equal to minus 3, and A 30th term means A plus 30 minus 1 into D. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then A30 is equal to A plus 30 minus 1 into D. A30 is equal to A is 10 plus 30 minus 1 is equal to 29, and D is equal to minus 3. A30 is equal to 10 plus into minus, that is minus, and 29 into 3. 9 3s are 27, 2 3 2s are 6, 2 8, that is minus 87, and A30 is equal to 87 minus 10 is equal to minus 77. In this question, given AP is 10, 7, minus 4 and so on. A is first term, that is equal to 10, and common difference is A2 minus A1. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3, and A30 is equal to A plus 30 minus 1 into D means 29D. A is 10, B put the value A is equal to 10 in A30 is equal to 10 plus 29, D is equal to minus 3. 29 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 87, and 87 minus 10 is equal to minus 77. Option C is correct answer. Question number second, part 2. 11th term of AP given AP is equal to minus 3 minus 1 upon 2, 2 and so on. A is equal to first term, that is equal to minus 3, and common difference is D, that is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1 upon 2 minus A1 is minus 3. A1, A2, A3. A1 is 3, A2 is minus 1 upon 2. Common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. Then D is equal to minus 1 upon 2 minus multiply by minus, that gives positive 3, and B cross multiply 2 multiply by 3, D is equal to minus 1 plus 6 divided by 2. D is equal to 5 upon 2. 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5, 5 upon 2. 11th term A11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. A11 is equal to A plus 10D. A11 equal to A is minus 3 plus 10 into D is equal to 5 upon 2. D is equal to 5 upon 2. 2 1 jar 2, 2 5 jar 10. A11 equal to minus 3 plus 25. 5 5 jar 25. And 25 minus 3, that is equal to 22. Then A11 is equal to 22. Given AP minus 3 minus 1 upon 2, 2 and so on. A1 is first term minus 3, A2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, A3 is 2 and so on. First term is A, that is equal to minus 3, and common difference is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 is here minus 1 upon 2 minus A1 is minus 3. Minus multiplied by minus, that is positive, and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 minus 1 divided by 2. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 upon 2. Common difference is equal to 5 upon 2. 11th term, A11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D, A plus 10D. A is minus 3 plus 10 into D equal to 5 upon 2. B put D is equal to 5 upon 2 in here. Then 10 is divisible by 2, 5 2 jar 10 and 5 5 jar 25. 25 minus 3, that is equal to 22. 22 is option B. Option B is correct answer. Question number 3. First part. Given two box 26 A1. A1 is equal to 2 and A2 is equal to A plus D. 2 minus 1 into D. And A3 is equal to 26. A plus 3 minus 1 into D is equal to 26. A3 can be write it as A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 2D is equal to 26. A is first term, A1 is also A, and B put the value A is equal to 2 in here. 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. Shifting to right side, 26 minus 2, positive to negative minus 2, and 2D is equal to 26 minus 2 is equal to 24. 2D is equal to 24. D is equal to 24 divided by 2 and is equal to 12. D is equal to 12. Putting the value D in here, then A2 is equal to A is 2 plus D is 12. Then A2 is equal to 40. Two box 26. We find the value of A2. A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, A plus D. And given A3 is equal to 26, A plus 3 minus 1 into D equal to 26, A plus 2D equal to 26, A is here 2, 2 plus 2D is 26, 2D equal to 26 minus 2, that is 24, and D is equal to 24 upon 2 equal to 12, D equal to 12. A2 equal to A plus D, A2 equal to A is 2 plus D is 12, A plus D equal to 2 plus 12, that is equal to 14. Answer. Second part, question number 3rd, second part, box 13, box and 3. A1 is equal to A and A plus D is equal to 13. Equation first. A3 equal to A plus 2D and A4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to 3. Equation second. From first and second. From first and second we get A plus D is equal to 13, A plus 3D is equal to 3. Subtracting, A is cancelled, minus 2D is equal to 10 and D is equal to minus 10 upon 2, D equal to minus 5. Putting the value D in equation first, A minus 5 is equal to 13, A is equal to 13 plus 5, A is equal to 18. A is equal to 18. First term is equal to A1, that is equal to 18. 18 and third term is A plus 2D. A is 18 plus 2 into common difference is minus 5, that is equal to 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. A1 is first term and A2 is equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus D. A plus D is given 13 and A3 equal to A plus 2D, A4 equal to A plus 3D, that is equal to 3 given. From equation first and second, subtracting first and second, we get the value of D. A is cancelled and minus 2D is equal to 13 minus 3, that is 10. D equal to minus 10 upon 2, D equal to minus 5. And putting the value D in equation first, we get the value of A minus 5, shifting right side positive 5, and A is equal to 18, positive 18. First term, first box is 18 and second is 13, and third number we have A plus 2D, A is 18 plus 2 into minus 5, 2 into minus 5 minus 10, 18 minus 10 is equal to 8, then A3 is equal to 8. Answer. Third part we have 5 box and 9 whole 1 upon 2. We have A is equal to 5 and A2 is equal to A plus D and A3 is equal to A plus 2D, and A4 is equal to, we have 9 whole 1 upon 2. A4 can we write it as A plus 4 minus 1 into D is equal to 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19 upon 2. 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19 divided by 2. A plus 3D equal to 19 upon 2. And AB have 5. Putting the value A equal to 5 in this, 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 upon 2. This implies 3D equal to 19 upon 2, shift 5, that is minus 5, and we multiply 2 by 5. 3D is equal to 19 minus 5 2s are 10 upon 2. This implies 3d is equal to 19 minus 10 is 9 upon 2 and d is equal to 9 upon 2 divided by 3 and d is equal to 3 upon 2. A2, we find the value of A2, that implies A is 5 plus D is 3 upon 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13 upon 2. 13 upon 2 and A3, A is 5 plus 2 into D is 3 upon 2. 2, that is cancel. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and third number is 8. We have given 5 box and 9 hollow 1 upon 2. We find the value of A2 and A3. A2 can be written as A plus D and A3 can be write A plus 2D. A is given 5, A4 is given 9 hollow 1 upon 2, 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19 upon 2, A4 A plus 4 minus 1 into D, that is equal to A plus 3D. A is here 5, put in this A 5 here and shifting right side, 3D is equal to 19 upon 2 minus 5. 5 2s are 10. 19 minus 10 upon 2, 3D equal to 9 upon 2. Then D equal to 9 upon 2 divided by 3 and 9 divided by 3 3 times divisible. Then D equal to 3 upon 2. And A2, we find the value of A2. A is 5 and D is 3 upon 2. 5 plus 3 upon 2, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13 upon 2, that is A2. And A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is here 5 plus D is 3 upon 2. But 3 plus 5 plus 3 is 8. And A3 is equal to 8. Answer. Question number 3rd, 4th part. Minus 4 A is equal to minus 4 and A2 is equal to A plus D. We want to find A3 is equal to A plus 2D and A4 is equal to A plus 3D. A5 is equal to A plus 4D and A6 is given, that is equal to 6. A6 can be written as A plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal to 6 and A plus 5D is equal to 6. This implies A is minus 4 plus 5D is equal to 6. 5D is equal to 6 plus 4. D is equal to 10 upon 5. 2. D is equal to 2. B put A is minus 4 plus D is 2, that is equal to minus 2. A is equal to minus 4 plus 2 into D, 2 into 2, 4. Then A3 equal to 0. And A is equal to minus 4 plus 3 into D, 3 2s are 6 is equal to 2. And A is equal to minus 4 plus 4 2s are 8. Then A5 is equal to 4. 2 and 4. We have given a is equal to -4 and a6 equal to 6. A6 can be written as a plus 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 6. A plus 5d equal to 6. A is -4 plus 5d is equal to 6. 5d equal to 6 plus 4, 10. D is equal to 2. We find the value of a2. A2 is equal to a plus d. A is -4 and d is equal to 2. -4 plus 2, that is equal to -2. Then a2 equal to -2. And a3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d, means a plus 2d, implies a is equal to -4 and d is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Then a3 equal to 0. And a4 equal to a plus 4 minus 1 into d, a plus 3d. A is -4 and 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Then a4 equal to +2. And a5 is equal to a plus 4d. A is -4. 4 into d, 2a. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Then a5 equal to 4. Answer. Fifth part given. Box 38, 1 2 3, box and -22. A we want to find, and a2 is equal to 38. This implies a plus d is equal to 38. A3 equal to a plus 2d, and a4 is equal to a plus 3d. A5 is equal to a plus 4d, and a6 equal to -22. A plus 5d is equal to -22. This is equation first and equation second. Subtracting first and second, we get a plus d is equal to 38 and a plus 5d is equal to -22. Positive negative cancel. -4d is equal to 60. This implies d is equal to 60 upon 4 and 15, -15. D is equal to -15. And put d in equation first. A -15 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 plus 15. A is equal to 8 plus 5, 13, 4, 53. A equal to 53. First number is 53. And A3 equal to a plus 2d. A is equal to 53 plus 2 into d is -15. This implies 53 minus 30 is equal to 23. First number is 53 and A3 is equal to 23. A4 equal to A is 53 plus 3 into minus 15. 53 minus 45 is equal to 8. A4 is 8. And A5 is equal to A plus 4D. A is 53 plus 4 into D equal to minus 15. 53 minus 60, that is equal to minus 7. Given A2, we have A2 equal to 38 and A6 is equal to 22 minus 22. A6 equal to A plus 5D equal to minus 22 and A2 equal to A plus D is equal to 38. From equation first and second, subtracting first and second, we get the value of D, that is equal to minus 15, and putting the value of D equal to minus 15 in equation first, we get the value of A equal to 53, and first term is missing, that is equal to A 53, and A plus 2D equal to A plus 2D is equal to 38 given, and A plus 3D, A3 is equal to A plus 2D is 53 plus 2 into D is equal to minus 15. 15 2 jar 30. 53 minus 30, that is equal to 23. A3 is equal to 23, and A4 is equal to A4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. 4 minus 1 is 3. A4 equal to A plus 3D. A is 53 plus 3 into D equal to minus 15. 15 3s are 45. 53 minus 45 is 8. And A5 equal to A plus 4D. A is 53 plus 4 minus 4 multiplied by minus 15, that is minus 60. So 53 minus 60 is equal to minus 7. Answer. Thank you so much.